Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add fonts in Adobe Photoshop 2020. Before I show you that, I want to mention one thing. I go live at twitch.tv/spap now. So if you guys are interested, then please join my live stream. Okay, link is in the description box below. So that's been said, let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna show you a complete way to install your Adobe Photoshop fonts. Okay, you can follow this in any version of Photoshop, not a specific one, but in my case I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2020 and it is a trial one. Anyway, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to download fonts from internet for absolutely free. Then I'm gonna show you 3 different methods to install it. You can follow any methods to install it. So that's been said, let's get started. Finally I'm finally explaining. Okay, so open your internet browser and search for fonts like this, and obviously I will go for the Google font, but you can try any of these websites, whichever you want. So I'm gonna open this one, the first link, which is fonts.google.com, and I'm gonna download 3 fonts because I have to explain 3 different methods, so that's why I'm downloading 3 different fonts. Just search for your font over here or pick any one of these, it's all up to you. Click on download family, click on save as, and save it whenever you want to. This one. Now you can close the browser. Guys, I want to mention one more thing strictly. I don't know much about these fonts. Are you allowed to use it as commercially or not? Okay, so please make sure to contact to the website whoever providing you the fonts. Okay, so this is the first method, which is the most easiest and simplest way to install your font. But before that, I want to show you that I don't have this font installed in my computer right now. As you can see, this font is not installed in my computer right now. So what you have to do is select the file, right click and move your mouse over open with, and then click on Windows Explorer. Now copy this file to your desktop and close it. Now what you have to do is simply double click and click on install. That's all you have to do. Now open your Photoshop. In case this font is not showing up in your Photoshop right now, then what you have to do is restart your Photoshop. That's all you have to do. In my case it is showing, let me show you that. As you can see, it is showing. Okay, so this is the way you can install your font very easily. Okay, in method 2 we will gonna install it manually. What you have to do is simply open your this PC, go to C drive, open your Windows folder and try to find a folder name as fonts. Open it. Now what you have to do is select the font, right click, open with, click on Windows Explorer, same thing. Okay, close this one and drag and drop it over here. Okay, and it is installed. Let me copy the font name. And as you can see, it is working. In case your font is not working, restart your Photoshop and it will fix it. Okay, it's time to show you the third method, and this is only for Windows 10 users. What you have to do is select the font, move your mouse over open with, click on Windows Explorer, same thing. Okay, close this one, copy the font name. Now what you have to do is right click on your desktop, click on personalize, click on fonts and drag and drop here. As you can see, drag and drop to install. Just give 1 second, and as you can see, this font is installed now. Now open your Photoshop and search your font like this. Okay, in case your font is not showing up right now, just restart your Photoshop and it will. Okay, So this is the way you can install your font in Adobe Photoshop 2020. Guys, before I go, I want to remind you one more time, if you guys are interested, then please join my live stream at twitch.tv/spapno. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below. Please check it out. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. It's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.